Our project is called Emergency Frequently Asked Questions. The problem that our project solves is the lack of information during natural disasters due to the loss of power and internet. This is how our project works. When connected to the internet, we use AI to generate frequently asked questions and their answers using information about the situation, such as weather at the location of the user. When that information is then sent to the computer, which sends via Bluetooth to the microcontroller those questions and answers, which when the internet falls apart due to the natural disaster, the microcontroller can output those frequently asked questions and answers using a speaker.
Yeah, basically, so in an unconnected mode, where it's just the computer and the device, we will use the Granite 8 billion parameter model to generate the questions and the answers, as well as use the computer to do the text-to-speech and transfer that to the ESP32, allowing you to use the power of this model, completely untethered to the world. And then when you're untethered from the laptop, maybe it ran out of power, you still have the low-power ESP32 with the text-to-speech on it that you can listen to and still get your answers.
So for the physical circuit, we just had a basic speaker circuit. We used some op-amps to amplify the total power of that speaker, and we used a digital to analog converter, and we just sampled the text-to-speech voice and then outputted it via DAC. So that's a basic circuit diagram. Sorry for not spicing it, but yeah, that's our project.
Hello. This is our ESP and microcontroller and our entire circuit connected to the speaker. At the moment, the speaker is outputting nothing. For the sake of time, we're going to, instead of showing the question and answer, we're going to just show the alerts, flood alert and hurricane alert.
Notice completely wireless setup.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there it is. Come closer to it.
A message was transmitted by Bluetooth via this model onto the circuit.
That's flood alert.
Basically, and we can see the main loop here as well. I'll show you the much fancier, like the dashboard that goes over. Basically, the main loop is we go through, we get the NOAA, we get the coordinates, we get the NOAA data, weather data for what's happening at the current location. Then we pass it into the LLM. It summarizes what's happening and generates the FAQs that are going to be transported to the ESP32. Then it does text-to-speech and transports them over. And it continuously is updating and storing all this data offline on the computer as well. In case the power goes out, we'll still be able to update the ESP32 and generate all that data. So yeah.
I'm here too, the cameraman.